Hi sweets, for today's video I'm gonna do my late unboxing from my BOXYCHARM and my Ipsy bag. With my BOXYCHARM I got two cheat masks, which I love cheat masks. And also I got a banana powder that I can use because I'm too fair for this kind of setting powder. So that is kind of a loss for me. I got this Eyeko travel size skinny liquid liner, which this one I'm gonna use. Also, I got a brush from Mott, a tapered blending brush. And last, I got this It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Light. This leave-in conditioner, I will not be using it today, but I'm gonna start by using the cheat mask. I think I'm gonna use, or actually I'm not gonna think, I'm gonna use a Nature Recipe Honey. This is a nutrition and smooth complexion. It says on the back that start with a cleanse face and apply a skin toner on foil mask and adjust over face and eyes. Relax for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove mask and massage remaining essence into skin. I have already cleaned my face. I'm gonna open the package. As all the cheat mask is really liquidy inside. It's really big on the side, so I'm not going to get my hair wet. So that's why I'm gonna leave this sides a little bit out of the way. Now I'm gonna leave it for 30 minutes and I'm gonna take it off. Okay, so the time is up. I'm gonna take it off. It says that as soon as you take it off, you have to massage the remaining of the sheet mask. We're gonna continue with my BOXYCHARM. Here I got a Crown Pro eyeshadow palette. I got a Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage IV Puffing Gel. This one I'm gonna start to apply it now. I thought it was gonna be like clear, but it is orange. After your eye moisturizer, warm and tiny amount between your fingers and gently pat directly on your bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup. For best results, let it dry in between applications. Reapply it as needed. Okay, so I'm going to apply it. This isn't the finger that you should be using. You should be using your ring finger, but my bad. I took the product in this finger, so I continue using, but you should use this one. I got as well product from Chella or Shellac or whatever, I don't know how it is pronounced. The one that I have, I got it in a Ipsy bag, so I'm gonna use that one, and this one I'm gonna give it to my sister. I got this from Nude. It is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with argan oil. The color is in Desert Rose. And I also got from the Wonder Beauty an Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I like the packaging, it's kind of different. Since I don't have the basics to do my complexion, I'm gonna do that off camera and then I'm gonna come back. To finish up my complexion, I'm gonna use the blusher that I got from my BOXYCHARM. It's from the Nude, as I already said. This is in the color Desert Rose 05. I really like how sleek the packaging is, and inside is really nice. It has a mirror and you flip the pen and you have a little brush inside, which I'm not gonna use, but still it is nice to have it there. I like peachy blush. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use the product that I got from my BOXYCHARM. Is Chella Tantalizing Top Eyebrow Cream. It has the brush in one side and in the other side you have the product. I really like this product. It's subtle and it's easy to work with. I know it's kind of annoying, the little space that you have to introduce your brush to get the product, but besides that, I don't see any downside to using this. I'm feeling my brows. First, I'm drawing my arch. Now I'm feeling a couple of gaps that I have in the beginning area of my eyebrow. Now in the top part of my eyebrow, I'm feeling or doing exactly the same thing. I'm feeling a couple of gaps in and there that I have. And now I'm gonna feel the tail of my eyebrow. I'm gonna start with the eye look. This is how the palette looks in the outside. I really like this sleek packaging and the rose gold emblem here in the center. I use as well my Elizabeth Mott Tapered blending brush that I got in my Ipsy bag. I'm gonna start with this one here. I'm applying it above my natural crease, really near my brow bone, but not touching it. And I'm doing it in circular motions as always, from the outer part of my eye towards the inner part. So far the brush is nice, soft, and it helps with the blending. Now I'm gonna use this shade with the same brush. I'm applying this one a little bit on top of the other shadow, but still I haven't gotten to my crease yet. Putting a color on top of the other. I think I'm gonna go with kind of a smoky kind of an eye look. That's why I'm building it slowly, one color at a time. And I'm doing this in the same way as always, in circular motion from my outer corner towards my inner part of my eye. Why I do that? Because I want the best part of the pigment. I wanted it in my outer part, and the leftover that I have in my brush is the one that I'm applying it in the inner part of my eye. I'm gonna go now with this shade, and this one I'm gonna apply it exactly where my crease is. First I'm applying it in tapping motions to get as much pigment as I can from it. Now I'm gonna use this shade, and I'm doing the same thing in tapping motions. Now I'm gonna go back to the light brown shade that I use. I'm gonna blend a little bit the edges. And now I think I'm gonna use the same blending brush that I used on the start, from the Elizabeth Mott. And I'm gonna take this color and I'm gonna apply it only in my outer corner because I want to give it a little more definition to this look. So let's just apply it here. I'm gonna switch to this one. I'm gonna take advantage of that and I'm gonna apply it in my brow bone. I'm not in awe with this color, but it will have to do. I'm applying it in my inner corner, and now I'm applying it in my brow bone. For my bottom part, I'm gonna use the darkest shade. I'm gonna apply it in my bottom part. I'm gonna do a wing liner because I got these Eyeko London and liquid eyeliner in my Ipsy bag. It has a felt tip, but it's not small. As always, when you're gonna start doing your wing liner, you're gonna use as a guideline your bottom lashes, and you are going to imagine that they have kind of a continuance, and you're gonna draw that continuance. First, you draw how long you want your wing to be, and then you draw the line towards the middle of your mobile lead. Now I'm gonna start filling the gaps that I have. And now I'm gonna draw the beginning part of my liner. I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm using my lash curler here for a little bit of help. And I'm gonna use the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume Curl Mascara. The brush has a little bit of a curve, so let's see if that helps. At least you can feel every time you brush your lashes with the one. Well, this is just one coat. You can actually see them, but I don't think that it do much to my eyebrows. I don't have a lot of eyebrows, but at least they're kind of a regular. They're not long. They're kind of okay. So usually when I use mascara, I want them to give them length and volume. And so far, I don't know. It's kind of okay. You can use this as a makeup, no makeup day. I'm applying another layer to see if I can finally get the lashes that I like. Applying in my bottom part. Well, but I do like one thing. I really hate every time that I buy a new mascara or I'm using a new mascara that I have to really clean off the bristles of the one. It really annoys me so much that I don't want to use a new mascara. But at least with this one, I just have to clean this part here and we are ready to go. So because of that, I think I like her more. Here are my final thoughts. For the first time, I got a product that I couldn't use in my Ipsy bag because it was a banana powder and I'm too fair to use a banana powder. I have tried a lot of times but failed miserably in the process of it. I look horribly bad with that sort of kind of color of powder. I really need to use a translucent powder to set my under eye. And I like the sheet mask, but I really didn't like the Eyeko eyeliner. It's really hard to use it. The felt tip is really hard and you cannot be as precise as you would like because of that. I haven't used the leave-in conditioner. I will use that and leave it the comments in my Instagram stories. But besides that, I think it was kind of okay. Kind of okay in the bad kind of okay Ipsy bag. And then for my BOXYCHARM, I really like everything that I got. I think I really like the crown palette, but I think I'm gonna give it away because I have a lot of them and I wish I could get a lot more from it, as in pigment wise, because my eyes kind of look that I have exactly the same color shadow in my entire lid and I don't. I have 4 colors in my lid, and if you look kind of you wouldn't know it, and you know it because you see the video, but if somebody else see me, they would think that I have the same color in my entire lid, and that wasn't the idea. I like my colors to be blend, but I like them to notice that I have a couple of colors of shadows in my eyes. So it was kind of a good, but not enough for me. I really like the Note blusher, and I think this really did a good job because when I started this video, I just woke up, and every time that I woke up, I'm really puffed. So this did what it was supposed to do. Oh, my bad. I really like from my Ipsy bag the little brush that I got from Elizabeth Mott. That was kind of nice and good. I like the mascara. It's kind of for a makeup no makeup day, but I really like the fact that I don't have to clean the one every time that I get it out from the package. So that for me is perfection. So yay for that. Oh, I remember what was the last thing. I have already tried the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I like this. Not everybody likes it because it's kind of annoying, the little thing here to get the product that you need to do your eyebrows, but for me it isn't a problem. So I like this is to get a little bit of a subtle kind of an eyebrow. So it is good and it stays the entire day. So that's another good or another must. So far I like it more my BOXYCHARM than my Ipsy bag. It isn't about competition from one and the other. It's just that in the month of July, I like better my BOXYCHARM than my Ipsy bag. And this is it. This is the wrapped up, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked the look. If you did like the video, press the like button. If you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the bell button to get notified. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.